I'll be showing you the top bulk editor apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews, so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Our first app here is called AbleStar Bulk Product Editor, and it makes it super easy to bulk edit products with or without a spreadsheet. It lets you edit many things such as product data, meta fields, and Google Shopping data. It also helps you avoid errors with live previews and one-click undos. You can also export your data to a spreadsheet if that's how you're looking to edit it, and you get complete control over the editing process. It also lets you easily monitor edits and user history, so you can see if anyone made changes. This can really help for tracking changes in case there's any errors as well. You can also create rules for products to apply in real time, whether it's adding different tags or hiding out of stock products. In terms of pricing, there's a free starter plan with 10 product limit for edits, and then paid plans start at $30 a month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of reoccurring edits and the amount of bulk history you're looking for. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars, and merchants highly value this app for efficient managing large product catalogs, particularly during peak sales periods like Black Friday. It offers extensive bulk editing tools for product updates, inventory management, and photo additions, with precise filtering options for targeted adjustments. Next up, we have Hextom Bulk Product Edit. I know this app has been around for a while, and it makes it super easy to schedule bulk edits and accurately and quickly bulk edit products, and all the changes are going to be backed up as well, allowing bulk edits to be safely reverted. In terms of pricing, there's a free plan with unlimited bulk edit and CSV imports, and the limit's going to be 10 products per task. Paid plans start at $9.99 per month, and the pricing is going to depend on the amount of products you want to edit per task and how long you want the backup to be for. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars, 1.8 thousand 5-star reviews, and merchants highly value this app for its ability to save time when managing and editing large product volumes. The third app we'll take a look at here is called Vila Bulk Edit AI and More, and lets you easily create and edit listings, optimizing listings in bulk to save time and improve listing quality. It makes it easy to manage multiple shops all in one place, and they're going to use AI as well to automatically generate alt text, titles, descriptions, and tags with AI. And it makes it easy to bulk edit things such as descriptions, photos, and tags as more, all in just minutes. In terms of pricing, it's going to depend on the amount of listings, starting at $10 a month, and for 1K to 2.5K listings, it's $25 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 390 5-star reviews. This latest review here says it's a total game changer for bulk product management, and this store manages over 2,500 products, and they can confidently say that Vila is a lifesaver. Lastly, we have a tool called Power Tools Bulk Edit Tags. I went over this app in a previous video, as it's completely free, and it makes it super easy to edit the tags on your collections and products. You can do so based on specific rules or the descriptions or product titles. And as mentioned, it's completely free here and it's quite easy to use. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.7 stars with 114 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI review summary, merchants appreciate this app for its ability to manage large product catalogs by bulk editing tags, eliminating the need for CSV imports and exports. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, like the last 7 days. You're going to get real-time analytics and calculations, summarizing everything in an easy-to-understand dashboard. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, along with many cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress. From there, you're also going to get a lot of different analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything out for yourself. There's a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing. Before I go, I want to mention that if you're looking for a Shopify theme optimized for conversions that allows you to turn window shoppers into instant buyers, you should check out my very own Conversion Booster Pro, and it saves you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. This concludes the video here on the top bulk editor apps for your Shopify store. I hope this video helped. If it did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.